Hi everyone, here we've got NOKIA C20 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little and tap on security. As you can see here, we've got SIM card lock, so simply tap on it, and now we can tap on change SIM pin. Right now we have to enter our current SIM pin, so let me do it. Tap on OK, and now we can enter the new one. Confirm it with OK and retype it. And as you can see, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that if you will restart your device, then it will require the new SIM pin. So actually, this is it. This is how to change the SIM pin in your NOKIA C20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.